Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip or rotate a video in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see here, guys, I currently have a video here in my timeline. It's showing with my hands, let's say from the top down, but I would like to flip it around, or let's say rotate it all the way around so that my hands would be at the bottom. How do I go about doing that? All you have to do once you have your video in your timeline, guys, is to go up to the inspector tool on the upper right hand side. You want to ensure that you click on video, and then you want to look for flip. And here, what all you have to do, as you can see, between the two different icons here, one is showing if you want to flip it to the right to the left or left to the right, or you can simply do from top down, as you can see. So if I click this one here, which shows the arrows from the top to the bottom, then I will do a flip just like that. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how to go ahead and flip or rotate a video in DaVinci Resolve. As I said before, you can do it from the side. So if I press that, if I want to do it from the side, I can do something like this. And as you can see, move it from left to right, or I can simply do it from top down, as you can see there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.